Hello everyone. Let's delve into the depths of effective prompt engineering together. In this section, we will explore fundamental concepts of prompt engineering and its ecosystem. Let's get started and understand what prompt engineering is. Consider a case where you're teaching a robot to prepare a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. At first, you tell the robot, make a sandwich. The robot tries, but it's messy and doesn't taste as expected. So you decide to provide more specific instructions to robot. You say, take 2 slices of bread, spread peanut butter on one slice and jelly on the other. Put these slices together to make a sandwich. The robot follows these instructions and makes a much better sandwich. You keep refining the instructions, maybe adding details like use a knife to spread the peanut butter or make sure the slices are evenly coated. Each time you make the instructions clearer, the robot gets better at making sandwiches. This process is like iterative refinement where you keep improving the instructions to get the best result. Prompt engineering means creating clear and specific questions, queries, or instructions for AI models. The goal is to get accurate and useful answers or responses from the AI. It's important because it helps AI work better and meet the desired requirements of users. However, the origin of this term raises a question. To comprehend this, it's essential to delve into the broader AI ecosystem where it is situated. Artificial intelligence serves as the umbrella term for various technologies and methodologies designed to incorporate human-like intelligence into machines. Within this framework, machine learning emerges as a subset utilizing algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to learn and improve from experience without explicit programming. Deep learning further specializes within ML, leveraging complex artificial neural networks to process intricate patterns within vast datasets. Generative AI represents a cutting-edge extension of DL, focusing on creating AI systems capable of autonomously generating new content, be it images, text, or music. Unlike traditional AI approaches that primarily classify or recognize existing data, generative AI opens avenues for creativity and innovation by producing entirely new outputs based on learned patterns. Prompt engineering is a crucial aspect of working with generative AI systems. It involves crafting clear and specific instructions or queries to interact with Gen AI models effectively. By formulating precise prompts, users can extract accurate and meaningful responses from AI systems, enhancing their performance and usability. It plays a vital role in ensuring that AI systems align with user requirements and can be used efficiently in various applications.